We'll guide you through how to connect Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, via SSH. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open VS Code on your desktop. You'll need to have the remote SSH extension installed, so go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window. Search for Remote SSH and install it if you haven't already. Next, open the command palette by pressing F1 or Ctrl+Shift+P and type Remote SSH, connect to host. Select it from the drop-down menu. In the input box that appears, enter the SSH connection string for the server you want to connect to. This usually looks something like user@hostname. If it's your first time connecting, you'll be asked if you trust the host, so go ahead and click Continue. You may also need to enter your SSH password or use your SSH key if it's set up. After a moment, VS Code should connect to your remote server. You'll notice that the bottom left corner changes to indicate you're connected to the SSH server. You can now open folders, edit files, and do pretty much everything you can do locally, but now on your remote server. If you want to switch back to your local machine, simply click on the Open a Remote Window icon in the bottom left corner and select Close Remote Connection. This seamless integration makes it super easy to work with remote servers right from your VS Code interface. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.